So hey friends, I wanted to go over something with you really quick. Today I received my samples from Mr. Smokesome, and this is their smoke barbecue grill smoker kit. So basically what we have here is you have a wood chip box right here. You've got 3 different flavors of wood chips. You have a meat smoking temperature chart. We've got a measuring cup, and this is a 1 cup stainless steel with the little edges for pouring, which I really love that because then you can get right on the meat where you want to be, and then the brush to spread it. And then we have a meat thermometer. I like to put these into the meat and have it to where it's about a 1/4 inch out, and then you can monitor that real easily, and they don't have large temperature swings, which is what I really like about them. Then we have a grill scraper, or what I like to call a grill key. Heat your grill up, put your hot glove on, or whatever you like to use, maybe an oven mitt, and then run this across. If you do it cold, it will work. It will just be a little bit harder, and you'll have better results if you get your grill hot. Now, do it twice, and that'll burn off just about everything, and you don't have to worry about having any of those brush bristles on there. So again, thanks to Mr. Smokesome, I'm going to go ahead and take this outside and smoke me some salmon tonight for dinner.